I know many of you are facing Grammarly logout problem. So that's why I bring solution for it. You need to log into your Grammarly account by using any method. You know how to log in on the Chrome browser. Just do that and then you can proceed to next step. Just open this URL in your browser and download setup file of Grammarly Desktop. I will tell you in full detail how it will work and if someone log out from the browser, it will stay logged in on the desktop app. After downloading, open this exe file. Then it will show you window like this. Click on Sign In button. It will redirect you to your default browser. So before that, you make sure your default browser is the same one in which you signed in with Grammarly account. Go to Settings and set your default browser. Then it will show you window like this. Click on Continue to Grammarly. Then click on Open Grammarly. It will show you pop up like this. Just click on Open. And it will get connect with desktop app. If you face any trouble, just click on Grammarly desktop app, it will automatically get connected. You can see content of Grammarly desktop and in browser is same. Now I will log out from the browser and check if Grammarly still logged in on desktop app or not. I did log out from the browser and now I will open new document file in desktop app and use it. I am able to open and use Grammarly on desktop. If you like this trick, then please subscribe the channel, also like this video and share it with others. Don't end the video here because I will show you how to do same thing on Mac and in Microsoft Word. And please don't update this Grammarly desktop app. If you did update the app, then you won't be able to use this trick. Latest Grammarly desktop version is totally trash. One thing I forget to mention, that if you restart your PC and open Grammarly desktop from the start, it will be in working condition. Now you don't need to sign in on Grammarly website daily, which can save you time. And it can work at least for 1 week. Now I will show you how to connect Grammarly to Microsoft Word. Then I will show you to connect it on the Mac. First, you make sure you are signed in on Grammarly website in your default browser. You know how you can sign in on Grammarly website. Then visit Grammarly this post and download Grammarly for Microsoft Word. This trick for Microsoft Word is only working on Windows. For Mac we have different trick. After downloading, open the setup file and install this app. Do same as I am doing. Then open the Microsoft Word. It will show you Grammarly option now. Click on this option. Then it will show you this window on right side. Click on Login button. It will redirect you to your default browser. Now do click on options like I am doing. Now Grammarly will get connected to Microsoft Word. Let's use it and see if Grammarly is working for you in MS Word or not. As you can see, even after sign out from the browser, Grammarly still working in MS Word. For privacy, you should use Grammarly in MS Word. If you are doing research work, then do use Grammarly in MS Word. Now I will show you how you can do same like this on Mac. First, open your Chrome browser and make it default browser. Do this process using only Chrome browser. Sign in on the Grammarly website by any mean. You know how to sign in. I am signed in on Grammarly website. Now you have to download DMG file from our website and install it. Visit this article and download DMG file. After that, install that DMG file. I already have installed on my Mac, so I won't show you that. This method only work on DMG which we provide. If you download latest DMG file, it won't work. After installing the DMG, when you open this, it's showing me to update the browser. It might not show you this, so you can skip this step and move to the next. Now I will go and update my Chrome browser to the latest version. Now you have to quit Grammarly from here and open it again. It will show you window like this. Click on Sign In button, it will redirect you to Chrome browser now. Click on Continue to Grammarly, then you will get connected on Grammarly desktop. You are now connected. As you can see, both browser and Grammarly desktop content is the same. Now I will log out from the browser and you will see Grammarly still work in the desktop editor. Now your logout problem is solved. As you can see, I can edit new document on Grammarly desktop. Now I will show you, if you install latest Grammarly desktop version, what issue you will face. Now I will show you, if you download latest DMG file from official Grammarly site and then install it, you will face logout problem. Let me show you in full detail. When you downloaded latest Grammarly DMG file, just install it. Now click Sign In, already have account. Then it will redirect you to Chrome browser. Click on Continue to Grammarly. Then it will get connected to Grammarly desktop. You can see from setting that account is connected and everything is okay. Click on New Document. Now it will open Grammarly in browser instead of opening in Grammarly editor like the other version which I showed you earlier. Problem is that if someone log out from the browser, then you have to sign in again. See, now I will click on New Document. This time it will open in browser. It's supposed to work, but it's not working. So conclusion is that, use DMG file from our article, then it will work longer. Please like this video and share it with others. Also subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Peace out.